In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a transition between two clips in Clipchamp. Create a new video. And then you want to find the clips that you want to put the transition on. I just use import media, but you can also drag your video clips to this box right here. So here I have two gaming clips that I want to put a transition on. So let's just move them to the timeline. And as you can see here, I want to put a transition between these two clips right here. And the way to do this is to click on the transition tab on the left here. And inside here you can choose of a variety of transitions. You can hover the mouse over each and every transition to see how they look. And when you have made your choice, you just take the transition and drag it to the plus symbol which is between the two clips. And as you can see, it just came a symbol between the two clips, which means it's a transition between them. So let's see how it looks. So this is how you add a transition between two clips in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.